Did you know that there are two wonderful times of year to organize your closet? If you guessed the spring before the summer comes and you guessed the fall before the winter, you are exactly right. Now, I had someone in my class, and my class is Organizing a Closet Like a Pro. I'm Marcia Ramsland, your organizing pro, and I teach people in that class how to organize your closet like a pro. Now, one of the gals in my class, at first, when she saw the ad for it, she said, "What's so hard about organizing your closet? What's the big deal?" Well, she took the course and she said, I was amazed. Not only did my closet get organized, but my room got organized, my bedroom's organized, my drawers got organized. And at tax time, I gave my husband, she said, a donation sheet for $640. And she said he was so impressed. And not only that, he organized his side of the closet. So I want to invite you to organize your closet like a pro. And I have some bonuses in there. And you know what it is? To organize all the closets in your house. So not only your closet, but you're going to do coat closets, kids closets, guest room closets, and your linen closet, hallway closet, and you're going to feel like, wow, I never knew I had so much stored clutter. Yeah, that's what it is. It's stored clutter if you're not using it. So come on over to organizingpro.com and join our course. You're going to be able to organize your closet like a pro and get it all done. You too can have a great tax deduction, and you're going to inspire some other people in your family to get their closet organized too. Don't nag, you be the leader, get yours organized by joining the course, and you'll be sure to do it right. Okay? See you there. All right, organizingpro.com.